Welcome again. We have Ms. Nancy Sandoval today, who is one of the more experienced counselor here at SCAN, a licensed chemical dependency counselor. And today we're going to talk about the reasons that people use drugs. Nancy, I'm sure that a lot of people that are seeing this segment, they have a loved one who uses drugs, or they themselves are using drugs, and they're wondering about these behaviors. Why do people use drugs? So I'm asking that question to you.
Yes, definitely. I think it's a very important question to ask. And we don't have one specific answer, but we do know that there are several factors that contribute. For example, the environment and heredity factors that contribute for a person's substance use.
And then, so what are some of the things in the environment that affect it? Because I think I've been hearing that when people go through really difficult experiences, that may be a factor.
Yes, definitely. Some of these factors include, for example, if there is a history of substance use in the family, if there are psychiatric disorders, and also if the person has experienced some trauma themselves, for example, physical, emotional, and sexual abuse can have a great impact.
Hmm. And I'm imagining that because they have gone through traumatic uh, events, that they have a lot of emotions that they want to control to drugs and alcohol.
Yes, definitely. A lot of these problems bring up emotions within themselves, and some of the reasons why also uh, people end up using substances is to self medicate their emotions, to escape from the problems, from the emotions, and to try to control as well.
I see. So it comes from an effort to take control of the emotions many times. That's what
Yes,
happens.
a lot of the time.
So we don't have an answer, but we know that when people either have somebody in the family or being raised by somebody with a psychiatric disorder, we know that maybe they have experienced some type of trauma, then the risks for using are greater. Yeah. Okay. Well, I really appreciate you spending time with us and talking about this.